Traders, we're going to have a look at some of these pairs and potential opportunities. Now, I've made this indicator available to our VIP members. This one down here. If you don't have access, refresh your browser and then you can go up to indicators, invite only, and introduce it to your chart. This is the layout that I'm going to use with this indicator. I'm using the trend bars, the trend channel, and this guy. Now, an ideal signal is going to be the daily time frame, and this strategy, it's a reversal strategy. Now, we generally trade at trend continuation, so we're going to add a reversal strategy to the mix. I prefer the daily time frame, and the main reason for this is to avoid the volatility that we've been experiencing with this crazy market recently. Okay, we've had the Bank of Japan rate rise, stock markets crashed, then they rallied with a vengeance, and now they're crashing again. You know, we've got the Fed possibly lowering rates. There's a rumor of a 25 basis point cut, and now they're seeing that the markets are not responding as they would have hoped. So there might be a 50 basis point cut. That's going to definitely instill fear in the markets without a doubt. When people come to grips with how serious the situation is in the markets at the moment, and if they do lower the rates by 50 basis points, it's going to cause a lot of concern, guys. We've got a lot of volatility ahead of us with the interest rate announcement due in September, and of course we've got the US elections going on. So strap in. Okay, it's going to be an interesting ride. So I'm looking at the daily time frame to help give us a little bit of breathing room to stay out of reach of the volatility that we can expect on the lower time frames. And you'll be able to trade through news events, or keep your trades open through news events on the daily time frame. All right, because it's that lower time frame volatility that we're looking to get out of the way of. I hope you understand what I'm getting at here. An ideal setup with this is going to be, for example, when this indicator gives us red dots in the red zone here, and then we see the blue line start to travel down, I'm going to be looking for this red signal. Right? And it's telling us that our trend bar indicator is shifting from green candles into red, or white and then red. And then, you know, there's an opportunity. This is not as strong a signal as this, because I really want the market to be moving from this red zone if it's going to be short. In any case, that worked out. And, you can see that there'll be definitely some nice opportunities ahead. And we're looking for the combination of this in the red zone and the red dot, or the opposite. This having a touch on the green zone, moving from the green zone up, and then we see a green signal. This preferably closer, like the touch on the green zone here would have been ideal, although that played out really well. No indicators or trading system is perfect, but it's definitely going to give us an edge. I mean, look at this. We're in the red zone, we get the red alert, sell. We're in the green zone, we get the green. That was a bit late, but we can look to enter earlier, possibly. This is the daily time frame. We could look at the opportunity to get involved on a 4-hour as this starts trending up. Now, Friday and Monday, you can expect the markets to travel in the opposite direction to how they've been trending. We had a Aussie CAD trade opened on Friday, and I put this into VIP, and I mentioned to you guys this morning, I closed this. We closed it down here, and I'm looking for this to pull back for another entry. We don't have dots in the red, okay? So the momentum is not as strong as it could potentially be if this indicator was trading away from the red zone up here. No, here's another example. The red zone, it's trading away from the red zone, and just look at this opportunity here. Here's the green zone, it's trading away from the green zone, and then we get that. We could get in earlier here based on this breakout for sure. Take it on a 4-hour time frame. All right, so we're going to be looking at these reversals. This is a lot trickier on the lower time frame given the volatility. Right, so you want to be a little bit careful. I'm going to be making regular videos on this, and yeah, we're looking at reversals. But I mean, a reversal can be on the lower time frame. Let's just take this down to a 30-minute, for example. You want to be a little bit careful down here. But if the higher time frame is trending bearish, and in this case you'd want to introduce these indicators, the trend sentiment, if you're going to use this on the lower time frame, right, you want to know that, well, the 4 hour is trending red, so it is. You can see that this is the third bar up on the bottom here. Now you want the higher time frame to be in your favor. All right, so let's just have a look at the other trend bar indicator, which is trend bar 12 on the lower time frame now. See how we're getting a red bar under here. So you're going to be looking for red signals, and an ideal setup is going to be, well, like this, for example. Here, look, we've got the red signals here, and this is the pullback. Right? The 4 hour chart is bearish. This is the retrace, and we want to be trading away from this, and then we're getting our cloud break signals here that we can use. Right? So there's a short. So if this is bearish, we can use this indicator here. Okay, same as before. This is trend continuation, and we're looking for this, and then these signals here to give us the rotation. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos including all of this stuff, so be some interesting times moving forward. You can definitely use this 30-minute chart if you want to. Okay, let's do that. Aussie Swiss. All right, I'm looking for this to travel up into the red zone. So now we've got an added confluence. If this travels red, we've got these guys red. All right, and then we can look for a continuation. Aussie Yen, 30-minute chart, trend continuations. Okay, so there's that, and then we have the trend reversal, which I prefer to look at on the daily time frame. Hope this makes sense. Again, the higher time frame is in our favor. All right, there's a red dot. There's a breakout signal there. You could come in on this little red dot here, short, or red square. The red square is the trend bars indicator giving us this move from green to red candles, and the triangle is a breakout with the trend channel indicator. Now if you're overwhelmed, that's fine. Just watch the videos. I'll be doing a lot more, as I said. Now if you're going to be going out to the daily, I'm inclined to, you could probably leave that on, but I'm inclined to just hide the this trend bar indicator here, and then now you can have a look at the daily. And we're just looking for these little square dots. Okay, the opportunity here was back further. The daily time frame, there's your dot. There's your dots. Well, if you see these dots, you can definitely go down to a lower time frame and look for that. It'll be a work in progress, but we've definitely got an edge in the markets with these. I'm inclined to take this one out on the higher time frame, actually. This one down here. Just hide it when you're on the daily. So I'm looking for trend reversals. This is the trend reversal here. Okay, and there's a sell after the dot right there. Aussie dollar. I think we're going to be experiencing a fairly weak dollar, so just be careful with that. But in a bullish, potentially bullish market, look at this. See, green, and there's a green square. We're moving from the red candles into the green candles, and that's your buy right there. Look at that opportunity. Have a look at this. The red bars, this is trending down. It took a while, but we finally got the move we wanted, the shift. And this pullback in here, that's okay. Right? Given that these lines are heading south like this, and this one's heading north, and we've got this strong divergence going on. I mean, look at this, guys. Nice outcome. Okay, this one has traded further south, and we got this pullback here. Okay, you want to be a little bit careful now. But that's your trend reversal on the daily time frame. That's the kind of thing we're going to be looking for on the higher time, on the daily. All right, so be lower time frame, higher time frame, and lower time frame opportunities. Just wanted to do this. It's just a quick introduction to how we can use the indicators on both the 30-minute and the higher time frames. Okay, to be continued, guys. And if you haven't already, I would invite you to jump on board. We have a free 7-day trial. You don't get the indicators on the free trial. You gain access to our VIP channel though with the signals. Okay, to access the free trial, go to the website tradingwithanthony.com. That's the link to start the free trial. This will give you access to our VIP channel and signals with mentorship videos, but not the trading course or the indicators, right? If you want the full membership, go down here to unlock the full membership. But give it a trial run for a week. It's a PayPal link and there's no obligation. You won't be charged. Okay, have a look and see what's involved here. If you click that, it just registers the subscription. You're not charged anything. You have the option to opt out at any time, so there's no commitment. You can control this through your PayPal account, and then if this is for you, don't do anything, and PayPal will commence billing on day 7, okay, for the monthly subscription. And then again, you can opt out at any time if this is not for you. Okay, guys, so with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.